Everybody's Tyler here at the Las Vegas Regional, checking in team number 7426, PAIR of Dice Robotics coming in. This is a team that we've had our eyes on the last few years. They were a rookie team just a few years ago, and they were definitely our highlighted rookie team. And this team continues to impress every year. So, of course, we'll be going through more about this robot. To help me do that, I have Allison and Jory. And, of course, we're going to follow that cargo journey through. They got a very well-fabricated robot, really cool climber as well, too. Let's talk more about this robot coming up here on Behind the Bumpers. Your destination for first content, updates, and gaming.
Welcome to the fun.
First updates now, supported by Striker Careers. If you are a college student or recent graduate looking for an incredible internship, take a look at Striker. Striker provides a housing stipend, great pay, and an opportunity to work with state-of-the-art medical technology equipment. Discover why so many first alumni are coming to Striker for their internship or career at careers.stryker.com. If you are planning on attending the World Championship, come meet others in the Fun and FRC Discord community with our combined meetup on Friday, April 22nd at 11 a.m. local. Location will be announced closer to the event, and you can stay updated by following in either the Fun or FRC Discord. So, Jory, let's start on the intake of your robot here. Talking about this drop-down intake you have, any concepts that have gone into it, and maybe anything else you might have thought of for it, too.
Yeah, so this actually isn't our first intake that we've designed. Originally, it was just going to be an over-the-bumper that would come and grab the robot, the cargo, and then it would pull it in directly. So it was like this little bar that would just slide back and forth with a piston. So we decided to change it because we realized that it wasn't fully pulling in the cargo into our index over here. So we changed it to a three-prong. I have Allison. Yep. It's a little three-point of contact intake here. We have a single piston back here and then one on the other side as well. That sinks a bar. That bar will come down when that intake gets initiated, pulling out everything else. We have a one motor that does all of our rollers for us. And then when we get that cargo, we pull the intake back in. It comes up into our index. Our index actually spins in opposite directions until we're ready to shoot. So we have our shooter up here at the top, single flywheel with a little hood at the back. As that shooter goes, we have our operator hit a single button, and it launches that cargo into the upper hub.
So talking about on your shooter and the indexer coming through here, you guys have some extra tread that you put on there. Are you doing anything in regards to trying to mitigate backspin or anything like that?
No, so actually we decided to keep all the backspin that we currently have and actually use it to our advantage. So the back part back here is actually to keep a little bit of grip on the ball. So it gives more backspin as it comes out of the shooter. So that when we shoot up into that upper hub, it hits the back of the Lexan that is in there and then actually ricochets down into that sensor to score for those points.
When you're looking at the packaging for your intake here, you guys have a very a short piston that goes through on it, and it's just nice and compact that goes through. Like, when you're looking from a packaging standpoint, why was it important to build your intake like you did?
So we knew right away we wanted the intake to be to go over the bumper and definitely have like a cutout for the cargo to come into. So we knew that we had to keep some sort of compact thing so that it was directly as close to the front of the entire robot as possible. So these tiny pistons are actually the main component that came into it. If we didn't have these pistons, we didn't have enough funding to make this new intake without it. So we decided to use what we had already, and we landed on these pistons, and then we just built everything around that.
So, Allison, let's go into your climber and talk more about what's gone into that. I'd love to see what's gone into your climber. Maybe talk about a little bit about your climb sequence and these custom claws that you have as well.
All right, so we can start up here. Our climb used to have just a rounded hook up here, and we decided that it wasn't hitting the bar how we wanted it to, so we added a triangular piece, welded it on, sanded it down, and now it looks like one plate. These hooks actually used to be kind of like these hooks, fully rounded. It wasn't coming off the bar how we wanted it to. So we changed to this design. These used to be flat, so it was coming off the bar way too easily. So we had to add these, weld it on, and now it's very consistent. These are operated by pistons as well. You want to do that? So for our climb, these hooks will come up. Forward hook onto that bar, and we will hook down. Ooh, this comes down first. Okay. Pull this forward. All right, so those hooks will come down. These hooks will hook onto the bar. They will hook onto the bar. This will come back. Reaching to the next bar, our hooks will come back up, hook onto that bar. These will unlatch, and we'll pull up on this so that our robot swings off of that bar, and then we'll go to the next bar.
Well, Paradise, love to hear about the improvements being made from competition to competition. Wish you the best luck here at Las Vegas. Like you said, you've definitely been one of the teams doing spotlighting the last couple of years, and can't wait to see how you do here in Las Vegas. Good luck, and thanks for taking the time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks to Stryker Careers for their support in this video. If you are a college student or recent graduate looking for an incredible internship, take a look at Stryker. Stryker provides a housing stipend, great pay, and an opportunity to work with state-of-the-art medical technology equipment. Discover why so many FIRST alumni are coming to Stryker for their internship or career at careers.stryker.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay up to date on our new videos. Keep the conversation going and provide your input to our content. Watch our live shows at twitch.tv/firstupdatesnow. Join our Discord at discord.gg/firstupdatesnow. And check out Fun FTC on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And First Updates Now on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter.